Hey everyone, welcome back. So, today I want to talk about something that completely blows my mind. We all know that feeling, right? You sit down to chant maybe Omkar or Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha, and after a few minutes, you just feel different, calmer, more centered. The noise in your head quietens down. But what if I told you that this change isn't just in your head? What if those vibrations from your own voice are actually sending messages, deep physical messages, all the way down to your cells? Messages that could literally influence which parts of your genetic code are active and which are asleep? That is what we are diving into today. The epigenetics of mantra. Can the sounds we chant actually rewire your genes? Let us explore. Okay, first things first. We need to demystify this word epigenetics. Epi means above or on top of. So, epigenetics is the study of all the little switches and volume knobs that sit on top of your DNA. Your DNA itself, your genetic code, is like the master blueprint of your body. It is fixed. But epigenetics, that is the foreman on the construction site. Reading that blueprint, it decides, okay, today we are building a stress response. Or, nope, today we are focusing on cellular repair and calm. And here's the crucial part. Those decisions aren't random. They are influenced by your life, your diet, your environment, the air you breathe, and profoundly by your thoughts, your stress levels, and believe it or not, the sounds you are exposed to. So, the big question is, can the intentional sound of a mantra be one of those influences? Well, to answer that, let's look at some jaw-dropping science. Researchers at Kyoto University did an experiment that sounds like science fiction. They took cells, not in a body, but in a petri dish, and they exposed them to audible sound. Just a pure tone, like a musical note. And they found something incredible. The cells reacted. The sound waves triggered a physical mechanism on the cell's surface, which sent a signal right to the cell's nucleus, its command center, and changed the activity of hundreds of genes. Amazing. Let me say that again. Sound changed gene expression. This wasn't a drug or a chemical, it was vibration. It proves our cells aren't deaf, they are listening to the sonic environment we create. So, if a simple tone in a lab can do that, what might the complex intentional vibration of a Sanskrit mantra be capable of? Now, mantra works on another level we are more familiar with, the mind-body connection. When you chant, you are not just making sound, you are meditating. Your breath slows. Your brain waves shift into those calm, creative alpha and theta states. Your amygdala, that inner alarm bell for fear and stress, gets a chance to quiet down. And when it does, your body stops pumping out high levels of cortisol, the main stress hormone. And why is that a genetic issue? Because chronic stress is like a villain in your epigenetic story. It goes around flipping all the wrong switches, turning on genes for inflammation, anxiety, and wear and tear, while turning off the genes for repair and rejuvenation. So, by using mantra to profoundly de-stress, you are essentially firing that villainous foreman and hiring a new one who prioritizes peace and healing. You are creating the optimal biochemical environment for positive genetic expression. So let's tie this bow together. How might mantra influence your epigenetics? I see it as a 1-2 punch. Punch number 1 is the direct vibrational path. Just like in that Kyoto lab, the specific frequencies and rhythms of mantra create a vibrational field. Your body is mostly water, and sound travels through water beautifully. It's not a stretch to think these sacred vibrations could resonate through our tissues, gently nudging our cellular machinery toward states of order and balance. Punch number 2 is the indirect mind-body path. This is a powerful proven effect of using mantra to achieve a deep meditative state. This state lowers stress chemistry and creates inner coherence. And science has repeatedly shown that this kind of state is linked to beneficial epigenetic changes, like turning down inflammation and turning up cellular repair. Put simply, mantra might be giving your genes a double whammy of good advice. First, through the direct physics of sound, and second, through the powerful biochemistry of a calm and focused mind. What's the takeaway from all this? It is that your practice, your sadhana, is so much more powerful than we often realize. It is not just spiritual, it is a tangible, holistic tool for well-being. You are not a passive prisoner of your genetics. How wonderful. With every chant, you are an active participant. You are using your own breath and voice to potentially broadcast a message of harmony from your lips to your very DNA. It's a beautiful fusion. Ancient sonic wisdom meeting the cutting edge of modern science. I would love to hear what you think. After listening to this, does it change how you feel about your next chanting session? What intention would you set, knowing the potential ripple effect it could have? If you found this dive into the science of sound fascinating, make sure you're subscribed. We have so much more to explore together on this journey. Until next time, keep breathing, keep chanting, and remember, the most healing frequency might just be the one you create yourself. Thank you for listening.